Are you feeling overwhelmed? Like life is spinning too fast and you're just holding on by a thread? You're not alone. But what if I told you peace isn't something far away? It's already within you, waiting to be unlocked. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve real mindfulness. No fluff, no woo-woo, just simple, powerful techniques that work. Stick around until the end. I will share a 60-second daily habit that can change your entire life. And hey, if you're serious about living a grounded present life, hit that like, subscribe, and comment peace to join our tribe of mindful warriors. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is being fully present, not stuck in the past or worried about the future. It is just here, now. Let's bust a few myths. You don't need to meditate for hours. You don't need to be a monk or spiritual guru. Mindfulness is not about emptying the mind, but observing it. Why is it so hard today? We're bombarded with notifications. We overthink everything. Our schedules are packed, and we're terrified of missing out. But here's why mindfulness matters. It improves focus, reduces anxiety, helps with sleep, boosts emotional intelligence, and enhances your creativity. The science behind mindfulness studies show mindfulness activates the prefrontal cortex, which gives you clarity and helps in decision-making. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. It increases gray matter in the brain, the area linked to memory and empathy. Long-term meditators reshape their brains for calm and control. MRI scans prove it. This isn't just a vibe, it's science. Top 10 mindfulness techniques that work: box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold again for 4. Used by Navy SEALs to stay calm under pressure. Mindful walking. Put the phone away. Feel your feet on the ground. Hear your steps. Notice the colors, the breeze, the details. Let the world talk to you. 5 things you can see. 4 things you can touch. 3 you can hear. 2 you can smell. 1 you can taste. This is your anxiety interrupter. Daily gratitude practice. Every morning, write 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be big, just real. A good cup of coffee, sunlight through your window, a smile from someone you love. This rewires your brain to see the good. Single tasking. Do one thing at a time. When you're drinking coffee, just drink. Don't scroll. Don't plan. Just be with the moment. Digital detox windows. Take 1 hour each day with no phone, no screens, just you and your breath. Let your nervous system reset. Let silence speak. Mindful journaling. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? What thoughts are looping in my head? Let it out. No filter. This is where clarity begins. Breath awareness meditation. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath, in and out. When thoughts come, observe them like clouds passing by. Don't chase, just watch. Mindful eating. Slow down. Taste your food. Feel the textures. Put your fork down between bites. No phone, no distractions. Respect your body and your meal. Loving kindness. Practice. Close your eyes and repeat silently. May I be happy? May I be healthy? May I be free? Then wish it for someone else, a friend, a stranger, even someone you struggle with. This softens your heart and rewires resentment into peace. How to stay mindful in a chaotic world. Chaos is normal. The world will always spin fast, but you don't have to. You can create what I call mindfulness anchors. When you're in traffic, take deep breaths. In long lines, silently list what you're grateful for. When anger rises, pause, observe, respond. Use mini reset rituals. Splash cold water on your face. Stretch and breathe. Count backward from 10. Set up mindfulness triggers. Wear a bracelet or use a phone wallpaper that reminds you to slow down and breathe. These small cues make a big difference. Mindfulness at work and in daily life during meetings. Focus on breathing and listening. Before sending a stressful email, take 3 deep breaths. Walking between tasks. Let it be a mindful walk. Before bed, write down one moment you're grateful for. With family or kids, be with them, not half present on your phone. Mindfulness isn't another task to add. It's how you do all the tasks you already have. Morning and night mindfulness routine. Start your morning phone-free. Take 1 minute for deep breathing. Set a daily intention. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. At night, turn off screens 30 minutes before bed. Reflect on one moment you enjoyed today. Breathe slowly before sleep. These tiny rituals set the tone for everything else. Real-life stories and examples. A working mom used mindful walking during lunch breaks and overcame burnout. A college student beat exam anxiety using the 5-4-3-2-1 technique before studying. A CEO began doing breathwork before meetings and found clarity and calm. These aren't superhumans, just people like you, choosing presence. 60-second life changer habit. This is called the 60-second reset. Here's how it works. Pause what you're doing. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Smile. Say to yourself, I am here now. That's it. Do it before a call, before a presentation, when stress creeps in. This 1-minute pause can reroute your entire nervous system. Long-term strategy for staying grounded. Build habits slowly. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Track your progress weekly. Celebrate tiny wins. Forgive yourself for falling off. And surround yourself with content, people, and spaces that remind you of peace. The root of chaos. Why we lose our grounding. We live in a hyper-connected, fast-paced world. Everything is instant: food, information, attention. But our brains, they haven't evolved at that speed. We're still wired for slow, focused living. And when we try to keep up, we fall apart. You feel distracted. You lose patience. You snap at people you love. You lie awake thinking about tomorrow's problems. This is not weakness. It's your mind crying out for stillness. The chaos isn't always outside. Most of the time, it's inside. The to-do lists, the guilt, the regrets, the fear of missing out. That constant inner noise, that's what mindfulness silences. What mindfulness is not. Let's clear something up. Mindfulness isn't about being calm all the time. It's not about blocking thoughts. And it's definitely not about being perfect. It's about awareness, noticing what's happening without judgment, letting the moment be enough, letting yourself be enough. You can be mindful and still feel angry. You can be mindful while crying. You can be mindful in traffic, at the gym, in a meeting. It's not a place, it's a way of being. Let's talk about the breath, your personal superpower. Your breath is your anchor. It's always with you. It doesn't cost anything. And when chaos hits, your breath is your reset button. Try this right now. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and let it out slowly. Feel that shift? That's presence. That's power. Start using breath breaks throughout your day. Before you check your phone in the morning, breathe. Before replying to a stressful message, breathe. Before you walk into a room, breathe. It rewires your brain to respond instead of react. The 2-minute rule for busy people. Think you don't have time for mindfulness? Let me introduce you to the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. That includes a mini breathwork session, a gratitude list, a short walk around the block, 2 minutes of quiet before sleep. These micro moments stack up. They build a mindful life, brick by brick. Because mindfulness isn't a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. Using mindfulness to navigate difficult emotions. What do you do when you're hit with anger, sadness, or fear? Most people try to avoid it, numb it, ignore it. But mindfulness teaches us to sit with it. Here's the formula. Name it. I'm feeling anxious. Locate it. I feel tightness in my chest. Accept it. It's okay to feel this. Breathe into it. Watch it pass, like a storm cloud. You're not your emotions. You're the sky. And the emotions? Just weather. Building a mindful environment. Your space shapes your mind. Declutter your room. Organize your workspace. Add a plant. Light a candle. Play calming music in the background. Put your phone on silent while you eat or talk to loved ones. Your outer world reflects your inner world. If you want peace inside, create peace outside. Set up mindful zones in your home. A corner with a cushion and journal. A desk free from distractions. A bathroom routine where you practice breath work while brushing your teeth. Mindfulness isn't always a practice. Sometimes it's a vibe. Mindful conversations. Be present with people. Have you ever talked to someone who really listened to you? They weren't waiting for their turn to speak. They weren't distracted. They were just there. That's a gift. And you can give it too. Look people in the eye. Put your phone down when someone's speaking. Listen not just to respond, but to understand. When you speak, do it slowly, with intention. Mindful conversations build deeper relationships. Less drama, more connection. Tools to help you use mindfulness apps like Headspace, Insight Timer, and Calm. Check out books like The Power of Now and Wherever You Go, There You Are. Create a playlist with calming sounds. Buy a mindfulness journal. Use alarms with gentle music or affirmations. And of course, subscribe to this channel